everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you don't already know me, my name is Anjani and this is my YouTube channel where you will see a lot of content regarding makeup, beauty, fashion and much more. So if you haven't already subscribed, I would really suggest you subscribing to my channel right now, and also follow me on my Instagram. The handle is right here, so you can find more beauty and makeup related videos over there. So in today's video, if you haven't already read by the title, today I'm going to be doing a massive t-shirt clothing slash haul sort of a video. So I did go a little overboard. जब से malls खुले हैं, me and my friends are like going constant to different malls to get something or the other. So I have collected couple of t-shirts and some sweatshirts here and there. So today I am going to be showing you everything that I've got. If you want me to do a try on haul, do leave me in the comment section. I would love to do that again in the next video for you guys. But today I am just going to show the outfit to you guys, because अगर मैं try on करने गई तो this video will be massive, जो मुझे नहीं चाहिए. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let's get started. Start with the first store. I went to couple of stores. I went to H&M, I went to Shoppers Stop and I went to Lifestyle. So these were the three main stores that मैंने shopping की है. So the first store I'm going to be sharing the products are from H&M. So this is the first t-shirt. This says love and it's like a tan sort of a t-shirt, and this retailed for I guess $4.99 to $6.99. I'm not sure, but I will have the prices on the screen. So there was sale going on, so I grabbed this t-shirt, and also it says love over here. And I also grabbed a similar t-shirt in a different color, which is this one. It's white in color, as you guys can see, and I got in the size medium. Yeah, so this was for $3.99. Yeah, so I got this t-shirt. The t-shirt retailed for $3.99 and it's white. I am so sorry it's not ironed, but you get the idea. And I got this in the size medium. So this was my first purchase. The second purchase being is this top right over here. This is quite a big top. I got it in the size 36, and this was originally for $12.99 and I got it for $6.99 rupees. It's a nice red, you know what you can say, a crop top. So it has puff sleeves over here, which is something I don't have, so I really got intrigued because of that. So this is the next t-shirt top slash thing that I got. If I tend to go out sometime, I might wear that. Moving on to the next top from H&M, it's this one. This is more like a, what you can say, I've already worn this. So if I have a photo, I will put it on the screen. मतलब मोस्टली तो नहीं होगा, पर दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. यू गेट एन आइडिया. तो इट्स लाइक रॉम्पर सॉर्ट ऑफ टॉप. आई डोंट नो, ऐसा दिखता है. इट्स ग्रीन इन कलर. मेरे पास ये कलर के टॉप ज़्यादा नहीं थे, एंड ये स्टाइल में तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं थे. एंड आई गॉट अ वेरी गुड डील. आई गेस दिस वॉज फॉर 1300 एंड आई गॉट इट फॉर 799 or something like that. So हाँ, this is like a cute little top. It's quite oversized for me. This is in the size small. If I can show it to you guys, it's in the size small, but वो भी मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा बड़ा है. But it's okay. I like the fitting and I like everything about it. So, and it's very soft and comfortable. So that is the third thing. Moving on to sweatshirts. I know कि गर्मी बहुत है, पर I love some sweatshirts. So I got 3 sweatshirts from H&M again. So I got this first one. This is like super soft. I wish you guys could touch it. It's very soft and it's pink in color. It has pink and everything stripes. And this retailed for $14.99. Quite expensive, but after discount I got it for 500 rupees, which was a steal. So I got my hands on this over here. It's full sleeve, as you guys can see. Pura full sleeves hai. And I love this because it's very soft and it's very comfortable. Moving on to the second sweatshirt, I got this one. This is like an army navy sort of a thing, and it has a detailing over here in this sleeve. You guys can see it has a zipper over here and a zipper on the front. I really love this color, this sort of a color this season, as you guys can see. This. So this retailed, I got in the size M. तो इस पर टैग तो नहीं लगा हुआ है, बट आई फील ये ओरिजिनली 2000 का था एंड आई गॉट इट फॉर अराउंड 1500 to 1700. आई एम नॉट श्योर, बट आई विल ऑब्वियसली हैव द prices on the screen. So this was the next sweatshirt that I got, and one of my favorite sweatshirts that I got is in the yellow color. I don't own anything yellow, so this is my first yellow color clothing item. So this is a oversized sweatshirt, hoodie sort of a thing. You get a gist of it, and this retailed for originally 2,300, but I got it for 799. So again, I got a very good deal, and obviously it's very soft and very nice. So you can wear it as a dress, or you can wear it like you can buckle it over here on your waistline and wear some cute little stockings or leggings underneath and boots. I'm looking forward to wear this. I just find a day where I can go out with my friends and I can wear this. So yeah, that's everything that I got from H&M. Okay, moving on to lifestyle, which is the store number 2. So I got basic, like everyday sort of t-shirt. So the first thing that I got is this t-shirt right over here. This is in the size large. It's a nice everyday, like a casual sort of t-shirt, and this is by the brand Nuon, if you can read over here. So I got this t-shirt. This is very soft and very comfortable once you wear. इसमें ज़्यादा and it's a very good thick material. कभी कभी टी शर्ट्स जो लाइफस्टाइल की टी शर्ट्स होती है वो कभी कभी दिखती अच्छी है, पर उसकी मटेरियल बहुत वीक होती है, जो मुझे बहुत अजीब लगता है. तो दिस इज़ अ वेरी नाइस मटेरियल, एंड आई गॉट दिस फॉर ₹450 अराउंड इश. सो आई गॉट अ वेरी नाइस डील, एंड आई डोंट हैव एनीथिंग ऑफ दिस कलर. सो राइट नाउ दिस ईयर आई हैव थॉट ऑफ गोइंग विद डिफरेंट कलर्स rather than going black, blue, because those are my basic colors. So this was the first item. Moving on to item number 2, I got this t-shirt over here. This was again from Lifestyle, and the main thing that caught my eye was these diamonds and the haircut, because I have the same haircut. तो मुझे लगा थोड़ा relatable हो गया. So, and I love diamonds. So this was for 800 rupees. I remember the price because my mom was very upset when I told her that this thing was for 800 rupees. So basically the 800 rupees were इसके ही थे. So I got my hands on this, and I really love the print, and I really love the color, and it's a half sleeve t-shirt. So I got this, and I also got another t-shirt, which is this one. It's quite a long t-shirt, so you can tie a knot in the front, or you can just tuck half of the t-shirt in it. And I got it in the size medium. So it has a Wi-Fi button, it has a pizza, and it has a donut. So it says do not waste time, all you need is love, which is your pizza, and you can't live without Wi-Fi. So my story, my entire life is in this t-shirt, because these 3 are my lifelines. So I got my hand on this t-shirt because very relatable. Again, to match this sort of a concept over here, I got one more t-shirt. This was for rupees, I guess 550 or 600 bucks or something like that. So this is like a nice crisscross sort of a t-shirt. It is 3/4 sort of a sleeve. I've worn this also. So it's 3/4 sleeve, and it has like a crisscross pattern at the back. It's very flattering when you're wearing it, and you can pair it with denims, or you can pair it with nice black skirt. It'll look amazing. So you can dress it up, dress it down according to your liking. I really love this t-shirt, so I got that. And the last t-shirt that I got is this one. It's nice material, it's quite soft but thoda kadak material hai. It's again from the same brand Nuon, and I don't know what size it is. I guess it's in the size medium or large, but it's nice top. You can wear it under black joggers, or you can style it however you like. So this is the next t-shirt that I got, and that's everything I got from Lifestyle. Moving on to the last store, which is Shoppers Stop. So I got only 2 things from Shoppers Stop because I couldn't find anything more. So the first thing being is this t-shirt right over here. It's a t-shirt, top, shirt, whatever you want to call it as, and this is from Peppy Jeans. I got it in the size medium, and it's this full length t-shirt, and it has like a crisscross over here. It goes on your waistline, if you know what I mean. So this is how it looks like. I don't have anything of this neon sort of a color, so I really wanted to get something like that, and I really love this. It's quite sheer also. It's not that sheer, it's quite sheer, but it's manageable, तो चल जाता है. And this is the first thing that I got. And being the last thing, I don't know why I'm literally obsessed with stripe, because the next item is also stripe. So it's this full polo neck, half sleeves sort of a t-shirt, and this is how it looks like if you wear it with black jeans and slippers. for a casual look you look amazing. I really love the fit of it and it's quite polo neck. इतना भी ऊपर तक नहीं जाता, decent height है, but मुझे पसंद आई थी ये टी शर्ट तो मैंने उठा ली. और ये थी 600 रुपीज़ की. 600 रुपये ठीक है, 600 रुपये की टी शर्ट है. बट द मटीरियल इज़ क्वाइट गुड, इट्स क्वाइट हैवी एंड हैवी ड्यूटी है, तो मुझे पसंद आई. So this was the last thing that okay, so that was everything that compiled my video. If you really like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will really mean a lot to me, and I have more upcoming vlogs for you guys very soon. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel now, and if you want to follow me on my Instagram, which will be very good if you could, so I will have the link over here and also in the description box below, so you can go and check over there as well for makeup updated videos. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching and I love you guys so much.